Well, I thought I was streaming, but apparently I wasn't. So that explains that. Huh. Well then, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it ain't gonna work. Okay. Well, there's some good drops there. Screen out of the way here. There we go. All right, sorry about that, but I thought I was streaming and I wasn't. Oh, Gunslinger's taking a trade. Little short there. Not sure why that's working like that, but that's the way it is. All right, he got a little short off. It's good. And there's not much I can do until we get a pullback. So c'est la vie. Let me go to a 1 minute chart and I'll see if I can look for a little stutter step, I call it. Flag, stutter step. Just looking for a little green candle. Just a little take a breath market. Let's see, 15-minute chart. Okay, right down to yesterday's low. So if we close that gap at 693.99, so 694, that would be a good gap fill to fill on SPY. We're coming up on NQ on yesterday's low at 993. Morning, Michael. We got some support here, right here on SPY. A nice little block. Basically, I got support all the way down to 94. Oh, there's my little stutter step maybe on NQ. Either that or reversal. Could take this 27 right here. That might just be it. Yeah. Yep, another shitty trade. Okay. I'm going to look for a move down here. Could go up and fill that gap in at 58. I would look for the halfway point around 48. Okay, don't come down and get me. I'd really like to be in at 48. Yeah, fuck you. Let's see, 98. Oh yeah, fuck you. Get out of the market. Now this is a little stutter that I'm waiting for, or was waiting for. I'd like to think we're going to come down to yesterday's low. Okay, got one off anyway. Nice drop like that can create or can fix a multitude of sins. Oh, not that much. Come on, baby, get back down there. If we do get back down there to yesterday's low, I'll put my stop in right at where today's session low is. Right around 26,000. That's going to be a hold number to try to hold. They'll try to hold that. Damn it. Wasn't fast enough. We almost got down to 93, which is my little trigger. That's where I'd like to be in around, there we go, right there. Exactly what I want to do. Drop below that. Come on. Didn't quite get there. One more drop. There we go. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, you fucker. All right, come on, fill that gap. Little bounce on an NQ there. Yeah. We're down here at bear target 1 already. Son of a gun. Okay, we dropped yesterday's low, which that's a problem. Okay. Okay. Let's put a stop. They just come back and get me probably. Okay, 15-minute opening range low. And that's going to be a big one. So that puts us at 175 down to 947. 225 points, something like that, right? That's a big one. I hate to see that, actually. All right, I did very well on my SPY puts. And I'm out. Beautiful. Okay. Hit my target. Done with that. Let's see. Factory orders, but it's low. It's nothing big. 10 a.m. Got to wait for a pullback. I need something back. It's either that or a little flag. We took advantage of that last flag, even if I got stopped out a couple times. But that's what happens when you play 10-point stop. ATR's 27 right now. Down 215 points. Economic news. Let's go. I want some live news. Not responding. Too much data. All right, see if we get a push up. This guy won't take a trade unless we probably go long. This guy's going to wait for an inside candles. And I'm not sure what he's waiting on. Already have one up? Nope. There we go. Getting a little move up now. I mean, shit. The EMAs, the 2-minute EMAs, 21 is way up here at 74. 75 points above where we're at now. So we just came back, maybe a retest of 26, just maybe deciding, hey, do we really want to do this? Sometimes I like to put the it doesn't really show up on the 2-minute charts, but on the 1-minute charts from 50 down to 02. So 50 right there to 02. That's a box that I put in on my 1-minute chart. And that's just like that's where we had that little flag. even though you can't really see it here, but it was something like that. But that's what I'm looking for. So we just retested that 26,000 and dropped down. Shit. Yeah, that was just silly. That should have been taken. Redropping the 15-minute candle. 49. Yeah, also retesting not only 26,000, but retesting yesterday's low at 993. That was silly not to take that trade. Silly. Because even if you'd taken 26,000 short there, I mean, that was almost 50 points. Okay, we got a little bull gap. We just closed at 52. Yeah, I just can't take that yet. Okay. Down by the 15-minute opening range. I need to move up here. I at least need to come up to the 21. Preferably for my place is the 21 EMA on the, 20 EMA on the 5-minute. This is the 20 EMA on the 2-minute. Two green candles, 2-minute candles popping up to 26,000, a retest and a drop down. I mean, that's not looking so good. The 15-minute went red. 46, I guess I could have taken 46. 47 is the 15-minute low. We're going to take out bear target 2 right here, which we bounced almost perfectly on that at 25,912.50. Good job, Ravine, on holding back and not trading. Good job. Hopefully you're following your trade plan. I'm trying to follow mine now. Well, I did okay. This morning, the only thing I didn't do, this morning I traded and I was down 200 to start the day on a couple of accounts. And that was just, for one, I was just going to test my software to make sure it was going to work. Because yesterday I was having a problem with Take Profit Trader, but today no problems. So I just tested it. I was down, then I said, oh yeah, I can get it back. Yeah, you know how that works. We all been there. All right, 15 minutes. Not looking so good, man. Yowzer, yowzer. Okay, could I take 25.9, a whole number? Yeah, you can, but man, I hate to be selling at the lows here. So, and my little 10-point stoppers don't usually bode too well. So I'm going to change my ATM strategy to a 20-point. Unless, of course, okay, so we're getting in that 10 o'clock window, potential reversal time. We just had a little double bottom, sweep of the low, right? So I'm going to try just one. 5 minutes left. I prefer if we were closer to the 15-minute, but let me just try one here. Might have been a silly trade. I'm going to give it a little bit of room. So this is just based solely on, we're in that 10 o'clock potential time window. We swept the bottom. So on Ninja at 9:47, we put in that low right around 12. Oh, all right, got taken out. Uh-oh, what happened to my chart here? Uh-oh. Yeah, I still think that's a good long. I'm going to try it again. I'll use that low. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my chart here. See if I can duplicate it. There we go. Okay, I got to watch out here. Yeah, I didn't really like it. I mean, 15-minute candle, potentially get a little resistor, a little spinner. The question is, can I stay in this trade? I don't know. Probably not, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm just going to take that prior 2-minute candle, the low of it, and say that's where I'm at. So, oh. Okay, I need this guy to go a little bit bigger. Oops. All right. All right, it was a little risky. But I did that slowly based on here. Solely based on this, right? We came down and put that low in, then we came down and swept it. So my thought was that we came down, put up this little high, swept the low, and then we were going to reverse up. That's kind of what I was thinking. But obviously we didn't get that. So now I'm going to wait. Okay, SPY's down at my support area, which is why I sold. We dropped that, which we easily could. Better go back to a 2-minute. Okay, so we swept the low again. All right, so it might just be a short fucking, we might just be going down, down, down. Down 250, 259. My 10 o'clock window. Damn it. It's not that I was trying to catch the bottom, trying to call the bottom, nothing like that. It was, to me, it was a legitimate play. Not once, but twice I had to try it. Okay, and down we go. Wow. I can't say I saw this coming. Okay, so let's say Tuesday's low. $838, 25,838. That'll be the next potential. Oh man, I should have kept those SPY puts. I'm gonna probably kick myself. Look, I just about tripled them, so I was good with it. But they could have been quadruple or 5 times maybe now. Maybe even 10 times by the end of the day. So now I'm into the wait mode. Just waiting. Wow. Down she goes. Not much to do. 838. Looks like we're going to probably take that baby out too. Wow. Not much for me to do here. I'm going to play around with my 15-minute chart and look for a place to bounce. Okay, I already found one. So rectangle. Oh, we already lost it, and we lost both of those. Ooh. Okay, this would be another area, potential area right here. And that would be the top right here at 816, and the bottom be 803. So evidently we went down to 792, but 803 would be the area. We have a big gap here on the 15-minute gap. Maybe they're trying to fill it. I don't know. But so, and that baby runs from 803 down to 748. I'm going to get rid of that one. So 803, roughly 750. $750 to 803. Close enough. All right, so you can see that box was pretty good. Came right up to it, bam. And now we have one, maybe comes down here to 850. Okay, Gunslinger just took a trade. He's already going to get stopped out for 25 points. I may stop him from trading just because of the ATRs getting too big. So let's go to Gunslinger if he's not already taken out. Yeah, 34-point stop, or 34-point target, 25-point stop. So 25, 13, 5 more would give him 18. And then 4 up would give him 22. So if I go to 22 there, yeah, I don't think that's going to really matter. So I'll just take the 25. We'll just let it play out and see how it goes. That's what I'm supposed to be doing anyway. All right, there you go. Wow, next level to watch, 1 hour chart is 695. Okay. Okay, Gunslinger probably going to get his little target there. Probably should have taken it. Anytime you get that close. There we go. Okay, nice job. Gunslinger coming down. Looking for that 750 support area. Ravine has 695 on the hour chart. If this holds, I'll show you what I was looking at. This is the 15-minute chart. And what I was looking at was this gap right here. See how this gap 15-minute chart. I mean, we've got another little guy right here, partially filled. But anyway, that's what I was looking at. Okay, Gunslinger's done. 44 points, 2 wins, 0 losses. Hit his daily cap of 40 points, so that's pretty standard. Now we just need Bot Suite to come in with a nice 5-minute play and a nice 15-minute play. You can see that so far that 50's holding. We got a 1-minute gap from 825 up to 857. What did I say? 825 to 55. Pretty close where I had it. 25 to 55. Well, it's going to be right there, probably. Pretty close. And that is a sell gap. This was a 15-minute support area. So you got a potential little flag here. We're getting pretty far away from our EMAs, so this could be just a little pullback or a little flag just to get us, just to let those babies come down a little bit. So I bought those. So right now, those SPY puts I had the 692, and they went, I got them at 70, and they're up at $3, so 5 times. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Michael, how you doing? Ravine, you still holding on? No trades? Okay, so Gunslinger's having a good day. And nobody else is performing, huh? Well, not yet. I am just being a little patient. Kind of hard. You know, I hate just jumping in and I need a level or something. It's like this sell gap here, right? For us to come up. It'd be nice to be able to, I'll draw it off to the side, but it would be nice to come up, wick it, and then drop down below that. And let's get this ruler out. It's 28 points. Yep. I hear you. So what time is it? We're still in that 10 o'clock reversal area. Could happen. I'm losing a little bit of faith in it.
Inside bar entry.
Okay, we got 5 minute. I'm going to bring this down. I'll switch over to them. Let's see. It's got to take out the low here, or not take out, but get pretty close to it. I'm only playing one contract just because the 5 minute hasn't been that good. So he struggled. He's going to struggle today, it looks like, too. Yep. And that's why I only play one. Little micros. Okay, if he does not get taken out, he comes back down, I would probably take him again. Give him another shot. He actually did not stop out technically. Well, he might have. Yeah, he did. But I'll still give him another shot. If he comes down. I got nothing else. I can't. I mean, this is the third time we came up and tried to break through that that sell gap at 25. We couldn't do it on the 1 minute chart, at least. Okay, I'm going to try to bring him down to 40 points here, close to it. But I'm not going to give him a lot of room because that could be far enough right there. Now, if we break this, then I'll move my stop to break even. In fact, I'll probably go there anyway, just to minimize the loss. If we take out the 5 minute, I'll try to lock in 10. So if you come down here to target 1, that'll give me 20. And I'll probably try to lock in 10. So I'll go down to 65, which won't give me a lot of room. There we go. Okay, there you go. All right, so that was a good little play. So you can use this in a lot of different ways. I mean, it took the loss, but I think I got most of it back right there. Okay. Playing what they give me. Okay, so now I need Mr. Phibbs. Where are you at? I'm working on a chart switcher a little box that pops up and let me switch between these charts cleanly. But I haven't been able to figure it out yet. It's what I do while I'm just sitting here waiting for a trade. Here, I'll show you what my GUI, my GUI looks like. Where are you at, Mr. Fibs? There we go. Exact. How about contains? Nope. Nope. Well, this is the times where you just gotta kind of hang out and wait. There we go. So this is what my little GUI, I'm working on switching charts, but it doesn't work. So I got something messed up with these tabs that I got to figure out. But that way down below I can just go, hey, I want to look at TCS. Bam. And then TCS will show up. Instead, right now I got to go down, look at the emblems, not emblems, but the NinjaTrader deal, and I got like 20 charts going across there, and they only give me chart dash something like T for TCS, and I got to find them, and they're always switching around. So this here would give me a nice little, just a little switcher. Bam, bam. I'm close, but not quite there. Okay, we're still technically in that reversal area. We got a new 15-minute candle. So a drop below 718. And I'm going to take it short. I think I should be able to get probably close to 20 points. In fact, I'll just keep on bringing this guy up as he goes up. Every candle. Wow, 340. Dang it. 5 times. All right. So we came up to that gap again. No, that was it. We just took out another little gap right here. I really don't want to go any higher because I don't want to get hit unless we're going to go down. So we got a new 15 minutes. There's 11 minutes, 45 seconds left. So I'm just kind of watching it. We're going up to retest this area, right? This box area. Right? 50. Okay, so now we're taking out, well, this gap here. There's a gap here. Still have this gap up here. So there's another gap. It ends right there at 82. So now I could come down here and take the short from here. 53, 58 would be another entry right here at 58. But I want to be a little conservative. Realistically, I should be down at 37, but I think once we go, we go. Okay, we just took this gap out right there. There we go. Okay, so 61. So that's a 20 points, so 10 points, so 71. Oh. Eh. 10 point stop, not going to do anything. Damn it. Okay, from the low 18, I'm going to say we're going to come down and test 700. Come on, let me get something out of it. Let me get 10 points or something. There we go. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, not for the faint of heart. Maybe I should just stay out of here. Whew. That's some wickedness. Big candles, you got 35 point, so 60 to 90. 35 point ATR. Damn you. It's like we might come back up and test this guy or try to get up there, which would be fine. Pointers, I don't like that. TCS is ready. Projected target 1 is 33. So, man, if it can get target 1 or target 1 and 2, if it takes a trade, that would be pretty monumental. Problem is the stop on that baby at 33 is going to be about 50 points, maybe 60. Times 2 is 120. Oof. Well, we're just kind of going sideways here, so I'm just going to hang on for a few minutes. I mean, I'd like it better if we came up here to the 21 EMA and did something. Oh. Hmm. Okay, trying to come up to that sell gap there. See what happens. Okay, big drop there. Damn it. Wow. That's a big one. Could take IB. Might as well on a day like today. Okay, so there's a, wow. Look at the 15-minute candle. You got a big wick up all the way up to 821. And now we're down to 740, almost 100 points, 80 points or something. And you're going to get a green hammer, a reversed hammer. Typically it means we're going to go lower, but probably means we're going to be bullish and we're going to move back up. I don't know. Everything's backwards. So we drop the low, drop IB, and we drop that prior 15-minute candle, both of them. Okay, that should be an inside bar. Yep.
Inside bar, entry.
Yep. Yeah, I can't even stay in these trades. I'm just losing money by trying to go. Okay, so let's go up and check him out. Not sure why he didn't take a trade. No, he's out anyway. And I'll do the same thing I did with the other one. If it takes that trade, I'm gonna have to move the stop real quick. Well, 33 point. So where did I get in at? Oh, it doesn't matter. I would have been out 717 up to 750. Tried to play that IB play, but just no play. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Give me the 20. Trying to hold. Oh, come on. The longer we stay here, the less confidence I have in it. Okay, that's good. Now it'll go to slightly break even. Drop that guy down. Might be enough. Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, this guy's still in the ball game. Well, if I can get that move down, I'll probably erase most all of his loss for the day. And then some. Come on, baby. Let's go. Wow. Trying to find my Mr. Phibbs chart. There we go. I need to take another picture real quick. Let me just look at this for a few. Son of a gun. Just nasty. Nasty, nasty. Ravine, what was your number on the hour chart? 695. And we took that right out. Oops. Hmm. 140-point stop. That's a hell of a stop. Wow, big drop. We've blown through all my places. My SPY puts are now 530. All my targets. And get rid of that. This guy's still active. We're starting to slow down now. Rough day for Bot Sweet, down 100 points. He was up over 5 something for the month, so just brought him down to reality, maybe 6 something. Yeah, I don't remember. Actually, I can go ahead and record him. So let me record him. Give me something to do while I'm waiting. Bot Sweet. Okay, pretty much minus something on everybody, right? Minus 60, and I don't think that was 15. So minus 60, minus 60. Yeah, he was up at 660, I believe. $608. Okay. So then minus. Oh, there we go. Down to 503 right now. 503 points for the month. Still not great, but I mean it's not bad. Even after a rough day like today, down 100 points. There we go. So even though the bot suite took a big hit today, minus 105, so you can minus 60, minus 60, 15. So minus 105 for the day. Total for the month, you're at 503, which is 10K, I mean, on minis. So still 500 points, not bad for the month. If you started out this month and you said, I'm up 500 points, would you be happy? We got one more day tomorrow. TCS, I don't think he's going to take a trade. Might be one of those rare days. So Gunslinger, I don't think he's going to take it. Oh, he's locked out, so it doesn't matter. Oh, let me show you something too on Bot Suite. So today is 44.75, 44.75 winning trades, 2 winners, 0 losers. There we go. Okay, Gunslinger. Rough month. He's only up 59 points. So you can see 2 wins, 0 losses, 44 points. Number of losses. So winning days is 10, losing days is 10. So he's running 50%. And he's only up 59 points. And it's going to happen. And I'll show you an example. Why? So this is the bot suite in by month since August, since I've been recording it faithfully. And you can see we've averaged about 600, 575. Well, the average is 536 right now. But we had a bad month in November or December, 125 points. Not a good month. So it was a little rough trading for it. But you can see it bounced back. So far, it's up 500 this month. So it's still not too bad. Even if you played 3 contracts, you'd be up 3K, right? 5 contracts is what I play, up 15. Oh, that's not right. Oh, that's 5 accounts. Sorry. 3 contracts, 3. Anyway, disregard all this. But still, you'd be up 500 points. So however many contracts you play, there's your number. Or how for M and Q, or how many accounts you have. So good numbers. Good numbers. Okay, so you're done. You're done. And then TCS, I'll wait. Okay. Oh, okay. We're still testing the lows there. 600. No box. Wow. So fast. Yeah. Should be taking these 15-minute drops, like 610. You know, buying at the low, but doesn't look like we're going to get a move back up to the 21 EMAs anytime soon. Oh, oh. Got 7 minutes on this 15 minutes. I can't do anything until that's over. We're up at 10:52. Okay. Minute 25 for the 5 minute, 6 minutes on the 15. Yeah, my SPY puts now are $7. Bottom at 71 cents, 70 cents. I thought 701. Son of a gun. That's a 10 bagger. Damn it. That would have been like a $6,000 trade. A nice little trade. Just waiting for a move up, something. See what we get here. It's too late anyway. This guy is going to be done after this candle, so he's not going to fire. So TCS will take 0 trades today. It happens. $11 is his witching hour. As you can see, it was just a fucking straight down drop. Not much to do about that. Okay, news events, nothing left. Everything's done. Short biased. Below the London mid, below prior day low. I mean, just hold your shorts. Okay. I wonder. I'm going to add something to this chart real quick. Do a little test. This chart's roll. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm going to switch to TCS, I think. Let me check that one. All right. Now go back to Mr. Fibs. Nope. That was worth a shot. Now I got too many things open. I was trying to add this little switch box here, but still not working. Darn it. So let me get rid of them. It was worth a shot. All right. So new 15-minute. Would I take the short below the low? Ugh. It is a 15-minute low, but see what happens. Okay, I'm going to slap on TCS. Just as I do every day, I'm going to show you that 0 points, 0 trades, 0 wins, 0 losses. Okay. Let me get rid of that. This week's trades are what? No. So let's get rid of those. Let's go with Monday. There we go. So he's had a good overall month. This week hasn't been that great. But here's the TCS's numbers today. You can see, oops, there you go. 0 points, 0 trades. Did not take a trade. We're still at 786 for the month, which is 786 for the month. Winning percent on trades by themselves are 80%. 40 trades, 32 wins, 8 losses. Winning days, 15 winning days, 4 losing days. Total of 20, which, you know, you have a 0-0. So there you go. And there you go. So that's that. And as far as monthly stats, I kept track of him, I don't know, last year, but I don't have that data. I'll find it. Well, in fact, here. Let me see if I can find it. I'm not doing anything here anyway. Monthly TCS. No, those are individual trades. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that. Oh well. It is what it is. This is what I have. So I won't even show it because it only shows a month and a quarter. Okay, so I might take the short there at 34. Hey, fucker. Just wait. Move up to the 21 EMA would be good. Okay, getting close to that 15-minute short. Right at the low. I don't really want to take that. Come on, get a move up. Let's close out 56. There you go. Got a minute 40 left on the 5. I got to watch because we could just bounce straight up. We didn't make a low. 100-point gaps in here. A lot of these candles are pretty big. Could they not sweep the bottom? Yeah, they could not. Just get close. Okay. Let me go to a 2-minute here. There's 46, 70 already. Five minutes left on the 15. We're going to get a new 5-minute. Come on, stay up. We get above 79, I'll probably take that long also. We got about a 40-point ATR. Oops, forgot. Okay, can't do that unless I take that guy out. I'm waiting to see if we're going to pierce that 5-minute, get above 83. There we go. There we go. Damn it. Hesitated. $28-point stop. Target, I mean. See what happens. Okay, good move up. Probably should have taken that baby at 583. Look at Ravine calling out 545. Mr. Phibbs, where are you at? Nope, nothing. Okay, see if we can hold above that 21 EMA right there. Oh no, that's the 5-minute 20, right? Oh, there we go. These guys were close. That's why. Got a little confused there for a second. Oh, come on. I tried to go long and wouldn't take it. All right, let's go. See if we can get a nice little push up. Nope. Let me go to a 1-minute chart here. $46, $27, so 20 points. Oh yeah, 41 was the key. We could get a nice little pump up here. So 75, which we just about hit. There, we would have hit it. And then 705. See if we can get a move back down to 645. Yep. Yeah. So I'm saying we might get a little push up. What's that high? 666. I got in at 71. Wow, just everything's crappy about that. Let's go, come on. $12 minutes on this 15-minute, so we could play little games here. I'd like to come down to 44. Okay, so the real entry was at 47. Okay, if we don't take it here, I don't want to be in this because I want to get it in down here. That's where I was originally. In fact, if I get this one, I'll add another one back here at 56. Okay, I actually don't want a sell stop. I want a buy stop. I don't think I'm going to get it though. So let's buy one there, and I'll just put my stop down here. And I'll shoot for 45, 65, 85, which we already hit. But I'll shoot for this guy right up here. Come on, let's go. 734. Wow. Come on, let's go. The only problem is you got to give it like 40 points breathing room. Let's go. Keep going. Oh, good. I'll take that if we get it. Not bad. Decent trade. Good trade. Good trade. Almost got to break even on those guys. All right. Not bad. I'll take that same trade if we bust above this 21 EMA. and hold above it, close above it. Basically, the line I was taking was, this is 47, right? Roughly. That was the line. We closed above this 21 EMA. I figured, okay, we'll get some kind of movement. You could have taken 20 and 40, which is what used to be my standard, and I don't know why I'm not taking it anymore. But man, that would have been a nice little play. Probably because I'm in late every time. Okay. Okay, well, this is just kind of dicking around. I could look for an ad right here. I'm gonna add something here. So this is Mr. Fibs. Okay. And I need one more real quick. Let's do TCS. Hmm. Okay, let me go back to Mr. Fibs. Obviously it didn't work. We're being added at the EMA. If we would have came down here, I probably would have added again. We're down 467. I think I'm going to call it. It's 8:30, 11:30, 8:30 my time. So I don't like to trade this late. So just gets to be nasty. So I'm going to cut it off. Call it good. Thank you for being here. Thanks, guys. And try it again tomorrow. I had a pretty good day yesterday in the afternoon session. And I don't know if I'm going to trade. We'll have to see if things line up. but I probably would take this trade if we get back over the 21 EMA. But we're down 460, so the bearish play is the easiest play. So, plus I want to try to get my little chart switcher working. I should be able to flip between these two right now, and it's not working, so I want to work on that. So hopefully I'll be ready tomorrow. Okay, thanks for being here. Good luck. Stay green, Ravine. I hope this trade works out for you. And go from there. All right, you guys. Ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night.